Proposals can change a lot. You can put a lot of items on a proposal and the client can pick and choose which ones they want, and then you want to remove the ones they don't want. And you can either drop those items from the project entirely or just remove them from the proposal. We'll show you how to do that in this video. So first we just want to open up the proposal. And here we can see all the items that we have on the proposal. And let's say they want to remove the fabric for this chair. They want some other fabric. They want to remove the leather here. So we just select this right here and we go to bulk actions. And we can either drop this from the entire project. Now it does not delete it. It will keep it in the history, but it will remove it from the proposal and the project. Or we can just remove it from the proposal down here and it will keep it on the project, so we might want to put it on another proposal or something like that. So when you hit update, you can see that that leather is now gone from this proposal. Now if we go back to the project, we go to the items page, here we can see that leather is still here, but it has no proposal number because it's been taken off of that proposal. Now you can also do the exact same thing on this main items page by just selecting the items that you want and click bulk actions. And you can either drop the item from the project up here or remove it from a proposal as well right here. It's the exact same process on this page as well.